Hello and welcome to Motorcycle Ministries. Not in the truck today. Weather's warming up, so took the motorcycle out. Today I'm coming to you from 2 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 4. This motorcycle ministry is going out to somebody that I considered family. Not by blood, but all in all family, because I grew up with him from day one. I can't even remember even meeting him. I know his family is hurting right now, and I understand that his loss at such a young age may be something that you may not understand. For everyone as Christians, we might go through some suffering that we may look at God and ask, why? Why me, Lord? But please find solace in this verse. Please find that the suffering that we go through, we have Christ there to comfort us. And with his comfort and his grace, it builds us up to where we can be a blessing to others that may be going through suffering at some point in time, and we may cross paths, and God puts us in their path to give them comfort because we know about his grace and we know that he is right there with us and he suffered along with us. So going out to my family, my deepest condolences for your loss, but please take this verse and find peace. Please continue to smile because Jesus loves you, and so do I.